Hello friends, welcome back to Free Tech. In this video, we learn how to create video by using article with any AI software. So this is very interesting video. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for more related and interesting videos. Let's start our topic. First of all, open Google Chrome. After opening the Google Chrome, you can go here shorts option and select news. We make videos news, and so you can see here there is many options for you following Pakistan word, and you can click on business if you want to create business, and so click on health. You can make video by using these articles and uploaded this video on YouTube, and in future you can monetize your YouTube channel easily. So this is about 9 hours ago, so click on this article. After clicking on this article, you can see here the picture, and so easily copy this article link, open new tab and search here Licky.ai, and this is the website. Click on here. After clicking on the here, you can see the start free trial sign up. Click on sign up and continue with Google. You can easily sign up. Select your Gmail account. Continue. Please wait processing. So your account has been cleared successfully. So you can see here the option of new file. Click here. Enter. Our news is related to health, so enter health. Geek language, and you can select landscape and submit. Here you can idea promote, and you can select stock marketing, AI, media, AI avatar, sound effect, adding sticker. So this is about news is about also about stock media and minimum, and you can select your duration time 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and you can maximum your time is 5 minutes and minimum is 30 seconds. So we can create 5 minute videos, submit, and you can here see your idea, blog, PPT, Twitter, product, and also select idea, click on. So here again click health and submit. So please wait. So you can see your video is created successfully. Go back, create new file. So here health, processing, and here promote. You can also share the link you copy of this news and click on submit, and your video is make successfully. So if you like this video, kindly subscribe and press the follow button. Thanks for watching.